Want to give a big shout out to Linda. She took really good care of us. Thanks so much.
Good morning from Christchurch. It's Sunday the 23rd and we're heading to Queenstown. We're on the bus. Julie's back with us. So we're just waiting. We got like 8 hours on the bus today.
Toilet break. Okay, so we have about a 20-minute, half an hour at Geraldine.
Geraldine, we stopped, had a break, and so I had a BLT sandwich. It was pretty tasty, and a croissant. She had a croissant. So getting ready to head to Tina Maru. Okay, we're downtown Geraldine. Kebabs, yum. Looks like a cute little town. We're at Lake, I believe it's Tepeco. I'll have to check on that. Look at this. This is absolutely stunning. Keep ending up in these gorgeous places. We're heading over towards this bridge up here. We're gonna cross the field. We're walking on this bridge. Busy day here, lots of buses, lots of camper vans. Look at this water, it's like blue. Look at this, it's stunning, stunning.
Shoreline of it, particularly on a beautiful day like today, looking towering above the other mountains is Mount Cook on Aoraki. New town was only established in the 1970s as part of the Waitaki hydroelectric scheme.
It's now 15:30 and we're ready to get off this bus. We still have another hour to go. The bus is emptied out some, but still beautiful scenery. Big lake here, don't know what it is, but it's pretty, and it's big. And the bus driver has a hotline.
Yeah, we're just crossing a narrow part of Lake Dunstan. When the hydroelectric project was proposed in the 70s, there was quite a bit of opposition to it.
Change of scenery, we just went through this gorge. Beautiful. We're about 30 minutes out of Queenstown town. It's beautiful. So we passed the
After some research,
45th to our, I guess this place is called Blue Gum Apartment in downtown or central off Gorge Road in Queenstown. Yeah, walk in the door and this is the living room. It has a TV. We have a little patio. Then the kitchen area. So this is really nice. Nice shower. And then here's the one bedroom, has 2 twin beds. Here's the master, if you will. Has some nice closet space. There is a laundry facility on, so washing and the powder are free. That's absolutely amazing, considering in Queenstown to wash clothes anywhere has been $4 to wash and $4 to dry, $8 total. But we do have to pay to dry if we use the dryers. So yeah, cute little place, not too far from downtown. Good morning from Queenstown. It's Monday the 24th, I think. We're on our last few days here in New Zealand. We're gonna go out and walk around today. And right now it's pretty chilly. It's like 54 degrees outside and pretty cloudy. So it's starting to burn off. I'm hoping this afternoon we can get up on the gondola and do the Luge track. That's a lot of fun. Shot over street. This is one of the main drags in town. Eyesight, and we're gonna do the Dark River tour and a farm tour on Thursday. We got our tickets, so there's all the thrill-seeking shops. We got the paraglider, tank. We've been trying to reach some of these around, even on the North Island, so we'll finally get one. Tasha got a Extreme C. I'm getting a health nut. This is the Queenstown Mall. We actually have free Wi-Fi down here. Pretty nice walking part of town. Lots of store shops, restaurants. Just remember they had like the submarine thing that goes flying out of the water. Looks like they have jet boats on here. Paraglider, there's the gondola. Walking the wharf area. I think we're going over there on. Those submarines that shoot out of the lake.
Si, plonge, on les a vus plonger.
This is Bird Baker's. One side is gelato. The bakery is marvelous, and that was busy this morning. Now everybody's moved over to the burger side of it. It's crazy busy in there. So we're gonna check out this other bakery. We stopped to get a Ferg Boston cream donut. Apparently they're world famous. I ate that Boston cream donut, and I gotta tell you that I'm not a donut person. Don't really care for them. The dough is like gooey good, and the cream filling was light and fluffy. It was actually wonderful. So if you're ever in Queenstown, check out Mrs. Ferg's Bakery and get their Boston cream donut. Get ready to... Comes our car. Getting ready to leave the station. Heading up, we can see town. My ears are already down below. Up and up and up we go.
It's kind of interesting that logging.
Look how the cars coming down are. They're like at an angle. AJ's bungee jump. Somebody's getting ready to go. We're heading, gonna go find the luge and viewing ducks and all kinds of fun stuff.
What?
Paragliders. Ski lift with the luge, heading up to the top of the track. Fun times ahead. Go! I'm moving. Just finished our luge. What do you think?
Pretty fun.
Pretty fun, lots of fun. 6 rides. I think we've been to everyone in town. Inline, heading back.
Kind of a bumpy start. Then it shoots you out of there.
Once we got off the gondola, we walked back to town and walked around some more and looked around. And then it was time for dinner.